take a look at some of the examples of affiliate sites and how they're making their money. The first site we're going to look at is an example of an affiliate site promoting affiliate products with a smattering of AdSense. It's quite a large site with a lot of things going on inside it. When you first visit the site, it seems like information overload. It looks difficult to tell where to go or what to read first. However, if you click around the site a bit and read some of the articles, you'll see that eventually all roads lead to the product review pages or directly to affiliate programs. Let's take a look at the top program reviews page. At the top of the page, the affiliate has a section displaying the 5-star weight gain programs. Clicking on the product name takes you directly to the merchant's page through the affiliate's link. Incidentally, you may notice this affiliate has stopped most of his affiliate links being displayed in the status bar when you hover over them by using a small piece of JavaScript. This makes the link more attractive to nervous clickers who might be scared away by the complicated-looking URL, and also helps to prevent link hijacking. If you don't directly click through to the merchant site, you can choose to read the affiliate's short or full reviews of each product. The short reviews appear further down the same page, while the full reviews have a whole page to themselves. The review for the recommended products are understandably glowing. These are 5-star products after all, and again include the affiliate's affiliate link. So how much is this affiliate earning from these links? If you click on No Nonsense Bodybuilding, you're taken through to the merchant site. If you then scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see the affiliate's link to the affiliate program page. If you follow this, avoid the pop-up box and wade through the sales pitch for the affiliate program, you'll see that the merchant pays 75% commissions on the product, which costs $77, netting the affiliate $53 per sale. You'll also see there is an additional revenue to be gained from upsells and one-time offers. Some affiliate products won't have their affiliate information so readily available. If you can't find an affiliate's link on the product page, try going to the ClickBank marketplace, and you should be able to find the product you're looking for. For example, if we try the keyword muscle, we'll see all the usual suspects. If we scroll down the page a little, we can see another of the affiliate's recommended products, Muscle Gaining Secrets. And you can see that this affiliate is earning $38.53 on each sale he refers from his page, which works out to be 50% of the list price, which is $77. That's not bad. Now, if you return to the affiliate's program review page, you'll see that further down the page, the affiliate lists products that don't get the 5-star seal of approval. He also provides links to reviews of these not recommended type products, which explain why they're not recommended. Reading his reviews, it does indeed sound like he knows what he's talking about. His reviews are credible and seemed unbiased. Most of them don't seem to have affiliate programs, and he hasn't bothered to link to them through affiliate links. So why would an affiliate review products if he isn't getting anything out of it? Well, first, it makes his other reviews look credible. Simply listing a whole bunch of products that are really great seems a little unbalanced. Secondly, he's able to attract people who are searching for those particular products in search engines. If they search for those products, they may end up on one of his review pages where they would read his negative review of the product. The affiliate hopes to make the customer reconsider their decision to buy the product and question what alternatives are available. In fact, the affiliate has quite cleverly anticipated this response and placed a number of high-earning 5-star recommended products at the bottom of the page. Readers of the review can click through to his favorable reviews of these products or simply go through to the merchant site directly. If we leave the review sections now and take a look at one of the articles on the site, you can see that this affiliate is also earning money through having AdSense ads on his site. You can tell these are AdSense ads because they say Ads by Google at the top there. You'll notice that the ads are pretty relevant to the content on the page. That's all automatically worked out by the ad network, who in this case is Google. Finally, if we go back to the home page one more time and scroll to the bottom of the page, you can also see that the affiliate has a sign-up box for his Get Big e-zine. This twice-monthly publication is apparently full of informative articles, a question and answer section, site updates, and more. This affiliate will probably use this e-zine either as an additional place to promote affiliate products or to get his readers back to his website by providing snippets of new articles with a read more link. By getting readers back to his site, he's able to expose them to more promotions. The next site we'll look at is one that appears on page 1 of Google's results for the popular term, How to Approach Women. One of the first things you're hit with when you visit this site is a pop-up box that offers you a package of free online lessons. All you have to do is enter your name and email address. The affiliate has also given these lessons a dollar value, recommended retail price of $47, and you're getting it free so I can get feedback. People love thinking that they're getting a great deal, so adding a dollar value even to products you're giving away is a very common tactic for internet marketers. You'll notice he's gone a step further and created some sense of urgency by hinting that the course won't be free forever. This free course offer is a variation of what we saw on the last site. It's a newsletter sign-up box. By offering people something concrete, the free 6-part seduction course, as opposed to something vague, for instance, our informative newsletter, you essentially reduce people's anxiety about signing up for something. This is why you'll see so many 6-part mini courses littered around the internet. Not only is it a mini course as opposed to a newsletter, but the visitor only needs to commit to 6 lessons as opposed to a potentially unending subscription. By lowering the perceived commitment involved in signing up for something, you'll find that people are more willing to give you their email address. So what happens when you sign up for these free lessons? The affiliate will probably send out a lesson from the mini course every day or every couple of days for a set period of time. The lessons will direct the reader back to the website so that he or she can be exposed to more promotions and affiliate ads in addition to their free lessons. Then, once the reader has received all of the free lessons, they will likely be added to the affiliate's regular newsletter list. Unless they unsubscribe, they will receive occasional news or promotions from the affiliate, but less frequently than with the lessons. If this affiliate is smart, he will continue to provide good content to his list and not just use it as a vehicle for pushing affiliate products. You need to give your readers good reasons to open your emails and not just send them straight to the trash folder. Now, if you close that box and look on the front page, you can see that right away the affiliate has launched into affiliate product reviews. He's written a glowing review for Online Pickup Secrets at the top of the page and given it 5 stars. If you hover over the "Click here to check out Online Pickup Secrets now" link, you can't tell right away that there's an affiliate link because it points to a page on the affiliate's website. If you visit that page, however, it will automatically and instantly redirect to the merchant site through the affiliate link. This is a very popular technique, not only because it looks less artificial to a nervous clicker, but also because it can help prevent link hijacking. So how much will the affiliate earn if I buy the online game through his link? Let's find out. If you click through to the online game site and scroll to the bottom of the page, you'll see a small affiliates link. If you click this link, you'll be taken to a page of information about the affiliate program. You can see that you'll earn commissions of $39.71 per sale, which is 75% of the price of the product. Now that is not too bad. Back to the front page, you can also see that the affiliate has reviewed numerous other products, all linked to in the sidebar. If you scroll down to the bottom of the main page below another sign-up form for the 6-part course, you'll see he recommends another course quite highly, Fireworks with Females. If you click through one of the links there and scroll to the bottom of that page, you'll find a link to that affiliate program. The commissions for this are 70% with a price of $37. That's a commission of around $26 per sale. For this product, you can also get commissions on a few upsell products that they offer any customer. So that's a look at where the money is coming from. Let's take a look at how the site is appearing so highly in the search engines. If you go back to the main Your Own Wingman site, you'll see that below the list of reviews in the sidebar, there are links to almost 50 articles teaching you about various subjects relating to meeting and dating women. Each article contains links to the most recommended products and, at the end, another opportunity to sign up for the 6-part seduction course. It's likely that this affiliate has created articles based around popular search terms, But at the same time, he's probably trying to boost his relevance in the eyes of the search engines by having a lot of content appropriate for a dating or attracting women website. Now, let's take a look at the desired action and the flow of traffic through an affiliate site. Affiliates should gently direct people towards the action which makes them the most money. When you're looking at affiliate sites like this one, and indeed when you're planning your own affiliate sites, ask yourself, what is the affiliate trying to make you do? Or what you want your own visitor to do. Question that desired action the affiliate is pushing for. Do they want you to read their articles, sign up for their newsletter, click on their ads? You'll often find yourself being gently directed towards a certain action in one way or another. This will be what the affiliate determines to be the course that will eventually get him or her the most money. In this case, we can see that the affiliate is promoting his newsletter list very heavily. It appears as a pop-up when you first visit the site, so he obviously wants you to sign up for that before you do anything else. Once you've either signed up for the newsletter or closed the box, you're presented with his most recommended product. The online game gets 5 stars and features at the top of most articles on the site. So that's the one he really wants you to click through to. Fireworks with females is the next best option, with banners on most pages and recommendations at the end of most articles. It also gets a 5-star rating in his review. There are at least 20 other reviews on the site, many of them featuring very high ratings, but the ones you see most often are the online game and fireworks with females. These 2 products probably bring in the best return for this affiliate. When you go to leave his site, you'll get a message thanking you for coming to the site, with an offer to sign up to the 6-part course again. He doesn't want you to leave without at least giving him your email address. Don't forget that these lessons are valued at $47 and they're yours for free. He's put a lot of effort into getting you to his site in the first place. You're not escaping so easily. So how about we take a look at those lessons he's provided? While there is a lot of content on the site, the lessons are not where he wants you to go if you happen to arrive on the front page. How can you tell? Well, before you get to the articles, you have to get past the compelling review on the main page and scroll through links to around 20 different product reviews in the side menu. Most people end up reading the reviews first and click through to the recommended products. What this affiliate is saying is that if you happen to arrive at one of the content pages because it appeared in the search engine, fine, he can promote to you there. But the page that converts to sales best is the review on the front page. Of course, all this assumes that the affiliate has considered these things. Sadly, many affiliates don't put much thought into how their visitors flow through their sites, so they're not able to make the most of their traffic. So far, we've looked at 2 sites that are primarily set up to make money from affiliate programs. The next couple of sites we'll look at are set up primarily to earn money from a cost-per-click context ads, like those served by Google AdSense. To refresh your knowledge, you might remember that context ads earn you money for each person who visits your site and clicks on the ads. The ad network automatically generates the ads and you insert them into your site just by copying a small piece of code. The biggest context ad network is Google AdSense, so a lot of people, including us, will use the word AdSense when really they're talking about context ads in general. Sites that earn money primarily from these context ads do so by capitalizing on either high traffic in that particular market or revenues for clicks. Of course, the best situation would be to have a high traffic market with high paying ads. If you can find one of those markets and rank well for it, even better. Here are the 3 ways your site could earn at least $40 a day through context ads. Maybe 500 clicks at 8 cents a click, 125 clicks at 32 cents a click, or 20 clicks at $2 a click. One example site earning money off low-paying AdSense ads but high traffic is haircutadvice.com. The hairstyles market has a huge number of people searching on it each month, but relatively little in the way of affiliate activity because there aren't many high-paying affiliate programs on this market. You may wonder why there are few affiliate programs for such a popular topic, but if you consider the demographic searching for hairstyles, you'll realize many are just after hairstyle pictures and advice. Not only that, most don't want to pay for anything. They believe this information should be free. Generally, if there's nobody willing to pay money for things in a market, there aren't going to be many products with affiliate programs. This also means that the AdSense ads for that market won't be a huge amount either. There's not enough competition to drive the prices up, and no justification for paying a large amount. However, this site still manages to earn a modest amount each day, purely just because it's built around such a highly searched for topic. You can see that this site has a lot of content and a couple of sections with ads in them, with the telltale Ads by Google note at the top. Google AdSense will allow up to 3 ad blocks on each page of your website. As you can see, this site also promotes a couple of affiliate programs, but not very heavily. Let's take a look at an example 4. This is a blog website, entrepreneursjourney.com. A lot of people consider a blog to be an extra something you tack on to the end of your website, but there are many affiliates out there running blogs as their main affiliate site. Instead of creating articles, they write blog posts. Over time, these can build up quite a large body of work. One good example of this kind of affiliate marketing is entrepreneursjourney.com. The author of this blog earns money by discussing affiliate products. Rather than simply writing reviews or pasting ads on his site, he uses his blog to discuss affiliate products that are newsworthy. With this format, the news takes center stage, while the affiliate link becomes secondary. Take a closer look at this link here. In this post, he recommends Aweber, but that's not the primary purpose of the blog post. Often, in the course of discussing things related to internet marketing, you'll mention products that just happen to have affiliate programs. The author of the site also earns money through other activities which wouldn't typically be classified as affiliate marketing, since they're not pay for performance, but we'll take a look at them while we're here. Writing reviews for reviewme.com. This is review writing with a twist. While this affiliate might write reviews with an eye to promoting affiliate products, he also earns money by writing reviews through reviewme.com. This site matches reviewers, often blog owners, with people wanting their product or website reviewed. The person receiving the review pays an amount of money to reviewme.com, depending on the price of the review, which is determined by the quality and popularity of the reviewing site. For a lot of sites looking for reviews, the cost of getting reviewed might well be less than the cost of purchasing a link from a popular website. For the reviewer, well, they get money, and adding reviews to their site gives them content. What about this? Placing text link ads on a site through textlinkads.com. and through private text link campaigns and banner campaigns. Textlinkads.com is kind of a cross between traditional link buying and selling and ad networks like Google AdSense. Textlinkads.com acts as a go-between for publishers and link buyers. You insert a snippet of code into your site and TextLink ads essentially sell space on your site. The ads appear on your site and you get half the amount that the person buying the link pays. Unlike AdSense, this isn't a cost per click ad system. You get paid regardless of whether anybody clicks on the link. This is because the primary reason for buying a link through textlinkads.com is to gain a link back to your site to help your search engine optimization efforts. On the other hand, private ad campaigns are simply private arrangements between the site owner and another site. You link to me, I pay you. This could be arranged on a daily, weekly, or even monthly basis. As a side note, the author of this blog has conveniently written an article analysing his own site himself. Check it out here. Alright, in this lesson you've seen 4 different affiliate sites earning money through a variety of methods, which include product reviews, newsletter subscriptions, context ads like AdSense. We've also seen a few methods of making money that wouldn't traditionally be classed as affiliate marketing, such as selling ad space on your website, joining link brokering networks like textlinkads.com, or even writing reviews through review brokering sites like reviewme.com. That's all we've got for this particular video lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.